Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your carrier supports eSIM and that your iPhone 14 is unlocked and updated. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection and the carrier QR code or activation details handy. Now open Settings, tap Cellular, then add eSIM. This immediately starts the activation flow. Follow the on-screen prompts and allow the camera to scan a QR code or choose to enter details manually. Doing this first avoids delays when the carrier finishes provisioning the plan. Once the Add eSIM screen appears, scan the carrier QR code with your iPhone camera. If you don't have one, tap Enter Details manually and type the SMDS address, activation code, or IMEI info as provided. After the profile installs, label the new plan so you can tell lines apart and choose whether it will be primary or secondary. Then make sure you designate which line handles cellular data, iMessage, and FaceTime. These choices control billing and data usage, so review them before continuing. Finish by confirming the carrier shows the eSIM as active in Settings Cellular. If you replaced a physical SIM, remove it now. Test a call, send an SMS, and browse to verify data. If the eSIM does not connect, make sure you selected the correct cellular data line, then toggle airplane mode off and on and restart your iPhone. As a key troubleshooting step, use Reset Network Settings if nothing else works. This clears saved networks, but often resolves provisioning glitches before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.